guys, welcome back to a new video. So sorry if you hear background noise, my dogs are playing. But today we are playing Flood Escape and I'm back with my favorite avatar. It's been a while since I've seen her, but she's back and looking better than ever. So yeah, he's creepy. Okay, but yeah, we're playing Flood Escape and we are going to do hard because there's a ton of people in hard. And because I don't have to wait that long. And I've warmed up for this video yesterday, so I think I'm pretty good. I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, wait, is this the man? Mm. Okay. So I'll be back. Oh, we're going down, we're going down. Okay. Okay, escape the facility. Alright. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna follow him, and now I'm not going to follow him. Oh no. Okay, gotta get up here before I die. Okay, I'm gonna die. Darn it. No! Darn it! I wanted to win. That's alright. On to the next round. Ooh, I'm going to go into the medium because, yeah, it's starting already. So, yeah. Okay, where do I go? Locked in. Oh no. Okay. We need to go this way. Oh no, the flood is starting. No! Let's hope that easy is. Oh, there's 4. I don't know what to do. So, let's go to. Oh no, someone. Okay, whatever. Hey, at least I won an award. Button Smasher, and I received 10 points and 4 points. Oh, it only saves it for. Oh. Ooh. Yes! Got it. Hey, you can leave. Okay. I said that and it left. That's crazy. I'll get this one. Oh, phew. What do we do now? Guess we just jump. Jump! And die. Okay. I need to go in this one. No! Okay, we're going into this one again. Hopefully, yeah, someone comes. Okay. Ooh, okay. It looks like it's kind of like the same people as the last time. Lauren was okay. We're in here. Okay, looks like I'm gonna be doing all the work, most of the work. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. It looks like I need to do this. Yay! I saved everyone's butts. Oh, someone died. Okay, hey, dude, you're going the wrong way. Come on, dude. Okay, so we're in round 2, first round 2 of today. We need to do something. Okay, dude, get that. Oh, guess I gotta get this one. Okay, got that one. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Whew. Okay. So, okay. Dude, don't go up that ladder, please. No. Darn. Oh, he did it! Oh my gosh, thank you. Good boy. Okay. Now round 3. Ooh, do you think I'm gonna escape? I think not because there's no one here. Oh, okay. They just added this here. Okay, if I fall, I'm dead. So just don't think about that. Okay, gotta go back this way. Oh boy. Oh, I'll be master. No! Darn it! Hey, at least I won an award. Button Smasher. And I received 10 points. And 4 points. Oh, it only saves it from. Oh. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Yes! Got it. Hey, you can leave. Okay. I said that and it left. That's kind of creepy. I'll get this one. Oh, phew. Oh. What do we do now? Guess we just jump. Jump! And die. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go on hard again because it's ready and I don't want to wait. So, it's just gonna be 2 of us. Come in, come in. Ah, darn it. She's about to. Okay, I've done this one before, so I know there's this and also this. So, ooh, and this. Okay, go. Phew, 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 phew. Okay, got it. Alright. Okay, let's go, please. Can we go? Yes! Yes! Okay, he's not dead, that's good, because I don't want to finish this room on my own, because that would be totally hard. What do we do here? Okay, nothing, so let's go over here. Or over here, I guess. I was gonna say, at least the flood's not starting. Nope, the flood started. Oh, he died. Oh, thanks for leaving me on. Oh, darn it. It's coming up fast. Darn it! Ugh. Doing this for you guys, but this is going to be a lot of videos to merge and edit and stuff. But wasting my time for you guys, so. Well, not wasting it. I like doing these. Okay, I'm going to try hard again. And I'm with super poor. That is just sad. Okay, it just makes 2 of us again. Alright. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, I need to like tilt my screen down. How do you get there? Oh. Oh, darn it. Oh, I already just. Oof. I think I'm only gonna do a couple more rounds after this. So, I don't know. It's full. I've never done easy this video once. Oh, yes! I got in! Yes! Woo, he got out, I got in. Okay. Oh, there's an intermission. Why does there have to be an intermission? Why can't we just go right now? Oh, I've escaped easy 3 times, as you can see, trophy 3 times, and I've only escaped easy though. And when you escape, you come out like this mountain bush thing. Okay, okay, we gotta work together. Maybe that's why easy is so easy, is because everyone goes in it, so they like have to work together. Okay, the flood's starting to come up already. Okay, yeah, I've done this one. I think I've done all easy ones. Okay, so oh no, there's only 4 people left. Can't win with 4 people, can we? Come on, guys. Hopefully, I'm not boring you with this video. Ooh, I like her avatar. I like her hair. Not really her face, but oh my gosh, the candy canes. I want a candy cane explosion. Okay, I need to get a Christmas avatar. By the way, this is my first video with my Christmas intro, so hope you guys like it. It was made by Cookie Pig, and I'll link her down below. Hello? Is everyone here? Did he die? What are you doing? Okay, we're all in here. Button. Okay, now we have to get up. Oh boy. How do we get up? Um, uh, oh. Like that. How? Oh my gosh, the floods started. How do you do that? Oh, I'm stuck. Darn it. Oh, yeah, just kill me. Darn it. Well, that concludes today's video. If you want to see more Flood Escape, make sure to hit that like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!